Hello, besties, and welcome back to Thrive in 5, where I give you a quick burst of motivation and productivity in 5 minutes or less. I'm Cindy, your host, an entrepreneur, busy mom, and business coach. I have built and sold several digital businesses ranging from 5 to 6 figure successes, so when it comes to managing time and priorities in both life and work, I get it. I've been there, and I am here to help you thrive. Today, we're talking about how to build confidence in just 5 minutes a day. Confidence is key to success in both your personal and business lives. And the good news is, it's a skill that you can build daily with just a few simple habits. So let's dive into 3 easy steps that you can take to boost your confidence in just 5 minutes a day. The first step, positive affirmations. We have all heard that term before. It's pretty simple. Each morning, take 1 minute to speak or write down a few powerful, uplifting statements about yourself. Try affirmations like, I am capable of achieving my goals, or I deserve success and happiness. The key is to believe these words as you say them. It might feel a little uncomfortable at first, but that's okay. Keep going. Repeating affirmations daily will help rewire your mind to embrace positivity and confidence. Step 2 is celebrate the small wins. This is one of my favorite things. I am all about celebrating your wins. Spend 1 minute reflecting on your small wins. Confidence grows when you acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. At the end of the day, take a moment to note something you've accomplished. Whether it's checking off a task on your to-do list, handling a challenging situation, or even just making some time for self-care. These small victories add up and remind you of your abilities. Step 3, the power pose. Okay, hear me out on this one. For 1 minute, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, your hands on your hips and your chin slightly raised. This pose is known as the Superwoman stance and can actually boost your confidence. Holding a power pose like this one or others for just 1 minute can help reduce stress and can help make you feel more in control. While it might sound simple and maybe a little bit silly to some, give it a try. I've found it's highly effective for giving me an instant boost of reassurance. And there you have it. Are 3 simple steps for building confidence in just 5 minutes a day. So start your morning with a positive affirmation. Celebrate your small wins at the end of the day. And then strike a power pose when you need a quick confidence boost. You've got this, besties. Remember, confidence is a muscle. You build it by practicing daily. Thanks for spending 5 minutes with me today in Thrive in 5. Oh, besties, I'd love to hear how you're building your confidence each day. Tag exclusively Cindy on any social media and share your favorite confidence boosting habit or how you're using these tips to grow. I want to connect with you, cheer you on, and see how you're thriving. Let's build each other up one confidence boost at a time. If today's tip was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this and share with another amazing person who could use a little motivation. Until next time, stay focused and keep thriving.